If you wanna get high with me, don't matter what time of the day or the night, just gon' vibe with me. I know that you've been going through some shit, I can show you a side of me that you ain't ever seen. Oh baby, I just wanna feel your energy. I just wanna feel your energy. Baby, we don't gotta go nowhere, stay here.
Begin by applying foundation.
Like two birds of a feather, tied and feathered, stick together.
Use a flat foundation brush in order to keep your makeup looking a lot less cakey and more natural. Apply from the inwards of your face to the outwards of your face. So originally today I was supposed to be doing glass skin tutorial, and I woke up and I looked at my skin and I had 2 big pimples on my face because Mother Flow is coming very soon and I tend to break out when Mother Flow is on her way. So I thought instead of doing glass skin, I should do, you know, a boy beat, just because a boy beat is supposed to be embracing the more natural side of beauty. So today I will be serving you guys with a boy beat.
Don't matter what time of the day or the night, just come vibe with me. I know that you've been going through some shit, I can show you a side of me that you ain't ever seen. Oh baby, I just wanna feel your energy. I just wanna feel your energy. If you wanna get high with me, don't matter what time of the day or the night, just come vibe with me.
Apply concealer to the spots that you're more insecure about. For me, I'm just applying it to my eyes because my eyes tend to be a lot darker than the rest of my face, and I want my skin tone to be even for this look.
Don't matter what time of the day or the night, just come vibe with me. I know that you've been going through some shit, I can show you a side of me that you ain't ever seen. Oh baby, I just wanna feel your energy. I just wanna feel your energy. If you wanna get high with me, don't matter what time of the day or the night.
Brush your brows in the opposite direction that they grow in. This will create a more furrowed look. And then apply your usual brow filler. I'm using Cyprus Umber by Anastasia Beverly Hills' Modern Renaissance palette.
Baby, we don't gotta go nowhere. Stay here, stay together like 2 birds of a feather, tied and feathered, stick together under the weather. Sick with the love.
Apply a nude eyeshadow. I'm using a peachy color.
Hold my head up, let's go get 'em, kiss my neck. Baby, we don't gotta get up, it's a setup. Come here, let's just lay up, stay up. Maybe we'll fall asleep.
Apply a gloss over top of your eyeshadow to keep your eyes looking a little bit more natural.
Make love, straight up. Baby, let's just make love with the mental brainwaves. Let's save love and make love. I say love, but really can't.
I'm very bad at applying freckles, and quite frankly I don't go outside in public with freckles on because I think it looks stupid. But for photo shoots I apply my freckles as such, and I just randomly spot on dots on my face using a eyeliner or a lip liner, and this one that I'm using is Ruby Kiss's brown eyeliner pencil.
If you wanna get high with me, don't matter what time of the day or the night, just come vibe with me. I know that you've been going through some shit, I can show you a side of me that you ain't ever seen. Oh baby, I just wanna feel your energy. I just wanna feel your energy. If you wanna get high with me, don't matter what.
Apply blush over your freckles. This is going to make your freckles look less prominent on top of your skin and more as though they are under your skin.
Oh baby, I just wanna feel your energy. I just wanna feel your energy. If you wanna get high with me, don't matter what time of the day or the night, just gon' vibe with me. I know that you've been going through some shit.
Apply a very small amount of highlight. You don't want this look to be overly processed, so I'm using Fenty Beauty's highlight in the same shade as my blush.
Don't matter what time of the day or the night, just come vibe with me.
Next is mascara. Apply as you normally would. I pasted on a couple of false eyelashes near the end of my eyelash just to make my eyes look bigger, but it's not necessary.
If you wanna get high with me, don't matter what time of the day or the night, just come vibe with me.
Use black liquid eyeliner to apply beauty marks.
if you wanna get high with me.
Finally, apply lip gloss. Before I apply my lip gloss, I use my tinted lip balm, and then I apply a sheen clear lip gloss over top of it.
I just wanna feel your energy. If you wanna get high with me, don't matter what time of the day or the night, just gonna ride with me.
And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you would, you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. But please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And if you would like to see more content, don't hesitate to subscribe. So I guess I'll just see you guys next time. Bye!